So it's a little windy out here today, but I wanted to come out and talk a little bit about a subject that's very near and dear to my heart, and that is poop. Well, actually, raising animals. If you raise farm animals, specifically chickens, you're going to get some excellent resources. Now, if you happen to have pigs too, you could set up your system so that your chickens eat all the pig poop, and then you don't have any pig poop there, and then the chickens poop, and then you can collect that poop inside of their coop, which we call the coop poop. Now, chicken poop is an amazing amendment for permaculture and for gardening, but straight out of the coop, this poop is too hot. This is this year's pile. What I'm going to show you is last year's pile, and then 3 years ago, and then 4 years ago. So this breaks down and composts over time. But if you take straight chicken coop poop with the chips and put it in a composter, within about 9 months, you can get it down to this. Now, once it's composted, this is one of the finest amendments you can put into your garden. You can put into your planter boxes. It's high in nitrogen, first of all. It's very high in nitrogen. It also has potassium and phosphorus, and obviously bacteria. And now that it's been sitting out here, it might even have some mycorrhiza in it. But it's an amazing natural fertilizer that you can produce on your own farm, large or small scale. So this is this year's pile. We now have about 100 chickens. We're doing 40, 50 eggs a day now. And we're going to have a lot of this, so we're going to be starting to process a lot of this for fertilizer for next year. Or maybe 2 years. We're going to be using this year right now, these two piles. And the area that was sitting, we're going to be turning into a planting bed. You can see I just put in some fruit trees here. There's a pear tree, there's an apple there, another apple there. We got a transplanted Saskatoon here. So if you got chickens and you got chicken coops, then you got coop poop. And that means you have amendment and free fertilizer as long as you compost it. You can't use this straight away. It will kill your plants, period. If you have an area you want to kill weeds, you can put this down and put some cardboard over it, and that'll do the trick real quick. But the best thing you can do is compost it and use it in your vegetable gardens at a future date. Because this is literally black gold, and it is expensive in the store to buy this chicken poop manure, especially when it's composted. So this is the good stuff. Hope you got something out of the video. Compost your chicken poop. Period.